Hello everybody, it's Larry and welcome to 2 Minute Tips. So here we go, start the clock. We talked in the last one about the things that you can find for all hints, but another great tool is finding out all the information about your tree. So in this particular tree, I can find out all the information by clicking on Tree Overview. And what this is going to do is it's going to bring up a page that's going to tell me how many people do I have in my tree? 7,231. How many photos have I attached to my tree? 1,902. How many stories? 47. How many records are there actually in there? 1,791. Now, it's also going to tell me how many hints are here. All people hints, 3,951. In the 33,970 for every hint. All people with hints, that's how many of these tree have hints. This is how many hints there are total. So about 10 hints per person, it looks like. 25,000 of those are record hints. 4,300 are photo hints, which I always find those fun because then you can find out photos about ancestors. And story hints, there's 897 possible stories about my family that I may be able to find here. So that looks to be kind of exciting here. So by looking at this, again, you go and you're looking at your tree and you say view tree, and you get to that, but up in the top left, it'll have Tree Overview. So by clicking on Tree Overview, it brings you that overview page where you can see everything about your tree. And right here, invite family members to see your tree right there from one spot. So it even tells you the last person viewed, and that can be helpful when you're working and you take a break, because a lot of us will take a break for a few months. We just kind of get into it so much and then have to step back and get back in it again. Well, where did we leave off? And this will tell you the last person that you were working with. So check out that tree overview. You just find it on your tree page, go to your tree, and up at the top, it'll say Tree Overview. And that's today's 2-minute tip. Hope you enjoyed it.